I have a very small material and I'm wondering what I can create with it. So I created this on my head. So if you have a small material and you're wondering what you can do with it, come closer, let us do this together. So this is the material I'm using. You can see how small it is. It is actually okay, but it is a very small one. So I'm going to fold it into three at first like this. Once it is being folded and we have the shape done, we're going to be needing elastic band, that is rubber band. So you use it to divide it at the center. That is going to be in division of 50-50, just the way you have seen here. Take your time to pull the band properly and very tight. So once that is done, you're going to open one up like this and place it right on your head, just like this. So you're going to take it to the back after you must have arranged and get it well aligned, and get another rubber band to secure the excess like this. Grab all the excess firmly like this. I try to roll my tries. So after I roll the tries, I have the excess and I dip it under like this. So we are going to make sure that the band is also secure so that it doesn't show. So I get it well secured like that, then go back to the front and work with the other parts I have. So here is the other part. I'm going to stretch it out like this. Once it is being stretched out, I'll raise it up to fold into two like this and press down. Pick a rough pleat to press it down all through, just the way you are saying. Press it down like you are picking up a pleat. After that, grab another band and use it to divide at the center at the making 50-50 parts. So when you want to tie this style, you need lots of bands, not that lot, but at least get them available, and we're good to go for this style. So when you press down and use your band, you're going to go for the first angle and adjust it down, getting the two parts together and securing it down with office pin. Once you are able to do that, you're going to go to the other part and repeat the same process after adjusting this one. So I'm at the other side and I'm trying to repeat the same process. You can see how super easy this head wrap is. So I'm securing down there, and I'll go to the center and try to match together like this using office pin. That is only where you need to apply your office pin to secure. And once that is done, take your time to adjust the necessary part. And I have my brooch, which I'll be adding at the center where the rubber band is, and I'm going to use to beautify it as well. Then I have something like this. Then the final look is going to be like this, guys. So here is the back. You can see how simple, unique and beautiful it is, and to tie is very simple. Let me show you another way you can, if you don't like this angle house. So you just take it in like this. No need of office paint, just press it down and we are good to go. You repeat the same process here, and this is so beautiful. I like it actually. What about you? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.